everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious potato cream pasta. So guys, please check the description for all the ingredients I'm using. I'm using this big pasta here. You can use the little pasta like the normal macaroni if that is what you have. I'm using some cheese, pepper, salt, onion, potatoes, sausage. This is Italian sausage. If you can get it, perfect. And extra virgin of olive oil. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. As you can see, my potato is already clean, and I'm going to be adding them into my pot now. So after adding them into the pot, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and water. So when I'm done doing that, I'll put the lid on and send them over the heat to start cooking. So while the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to add my oil on my pan and allow it to heat up before adding the garlic and the onion. So I'm going to allow the onion to roast for a couple of minutes or until they are tender. So after about 3-4 minutes, I'm going to be adding the sausage now. Like I said, I'm using Italian sausage. You can use any sausage, good sausage you can lay your hands on, okay? So I'm going to roast this sausage until the water are fully dry and the meat turn brown, which I'm going to be showing you what I mean by that when time come, okay? So I'm going to season that sausage with salt and black pepper. I'm going to be stirring the sausage until they get to the consistency that I'm looking for, okay? Also, while they're cooking, I'm going to take off the garlic because it's not needed anymore. I only needed the taste of garlic, so I took that garlic off. So now the water for pasta is boiling because the pasta I'm using calls for 20 minutes of cooking, which is this big pasta. So it depends on how many minutes your pasta needs to be cooked, okay? So I'm going to set that pasta to start cooking, and here is the meat. As you can see, the meat is fully, like the water is fully dry and the meat is completely brown now. So I'm going to turn off the heat and over to the potatoes. The potatoes are well cooked, so I'm taking them out of the pot now and adding them into my blender. I'm adding the cheese together with the potatoes now. So after doing that, I'm going to add the potatoes water, like the water the potatoes was cooked on. After that, I'm going to blend them to cream. Look at the cream, guys. I feel like I was like eating it even without mixing it in the pasta. It was so delicious, like was so delicious. So now I'm adding the cream into the sausage at the minimum, like the lowest heat, okay, because everything is well cooked now. And this is the starch water from the pasta. Make sure you reserve some from the pasta, okay? So after adding the water from the pasta, I added the pasta. Make sure you're mixing this fast because you don't want cold food, like you don't want this pasta to be cold. So I added the remaining about a cooking spoon of the remaining pasta water. Just quickly mix everything up and your pasta is good to go. Guys, this pasta was so delicious. Like it was first and second course at the same time. Like it's not bad at all. I would like you to try this pasta by yourself. Potato cream pasta. You will love it. Like you will come back here and tell me thank you. I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.